Hello, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and I'm in the garden today. And I know it doesn't look like my garden, but this is going to be my inside garden for the winter. Dave is we're gonna bring a load of dirt in and dig it up. Well, maybe not quite, but anyway, I am going to be growing some food over the winter, some salad stuff and some medicinal stuff, because I am going to be doing some of my own medicinal stuff, or trying to anyway. I know that Dave and I still have to do that challenge for bushcraft for the 5 best books. But I'm still trying to decide, and he says he doesn't have any. I know he has at least one that he can talk about, and I guess I can talk about the others. Anyway, let's, thank you for being here. If it's your first time, welcome. And if you're coming back, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, you really, really should. And let's get to it. Let's look at the garden. It's looking a little bit thirsty, but you can see I've got a couple of peppers back here that have sprouted. I have my winter cannabis there. Look at this beautiful little tomato plant. This is a little tiny bush tomato, puts out little tiny cherry tomatoes. My cilantro is looking a little thirsty, and my parsley is also looking a little thirsty. And then look, these are my carrots that I have growing. I have 3 of them. They're in that tall tub. Today I'm gonna throw a couple more seeds down in there and get a couple more started. And then I have my little pixie cabbage and my lettuce, which is looking a little dry and possibly a little hungry. And the same with my dill. So yeah, everybody's gonna go, well, I'll show you how I actually water these things. So I have a tub of water here, and this has my water, and I put in a very mild, it's like a 777 fertilizer balance that I mix in here with my water, and then I pour it in there, and then I just let my plants sit in there for like an hour or so until they soak up as much water as they want to, and then they go back over under the lights. So that's what's going on there. And then I'm going to plant a few more things today. I want to get a lavender started. So I also got some echinacea and some chamomile, and I want to plant those because I've never grown them before, so I'm not sure what they're going to look like when they come up. So I want to at least try planting a seed, possibly 2. You know, you should always start with 2. And see what comes up so that I know what's going to come up when I take them and plant them outside. So, and lavender. I wanted to plant lavender last year, but I didn't get it done early enough. So I'm going to plant it now, and then by next spring or summer, it should be ready. I can transplant it like directly outside. So did I show you this? This is what I planted the other day. Lettuce, cabbage, lamb's ear, which apparently is good for toilet paper if you ever run out. You know, not that I don't have a bunch, I do have toilet paper stocked up, but there have been shortages of things before. And apparently lamb's ear is among those plants that's a good substitute. So, and then I have my lavender, my chamomile, and my echinacea, and my fennel, all of which are medicinal. So that's really cool. I also found out that several of the other herbs that I grow are also medicinal. Looks like this little guy's going to have to move somewhere. I don't know, he might not like so much light. Yeah, that's what's going on in my garden. What is it, the beginning of November sometime. So yeah, thanks for popping in to take a look. I really do appreciate you, and I will hope to see you soon. Bye now.